Well, taking a live look at Oakland, Alameda County could be back in the red tier tomorrow. This comes as the CDC releases new guidance for those who are vaccinated. KPIX5's Medina with what the CDC says you are now finally safe to do.
It was a great sense of relief.
Bob Rucker is scheduled to get his second dose of the COVID vaccine next week, and so is his husband with special needs and his sister with Down syndrome, who he takes care of.
And I was happy to be able to protect my sister. She is helpless in this world.
We spoke to Bob, a retired San Jose State professor, last year when he told us he would continue to shelter in place even if the county loosened restrictions.
And I don't want to see this virus invade this house.
But now Bob will soon join the other 30+ million Americans fully vaccinated who, according to the CDC, can now gather indoors with other fully vaccinated people without wearing a mask or social distancing, as well as gather unmasked with those from a single household who are not vaccinated but at low risk. Bob says it doesn't matter to him that the CDC is saying that.
The reality is we can't just assume 2 shots and I'm good, because 2 shots are no guarantee until we know a lot more.
This is a work in progress, and we're not at the end at all.
UCSF professor of epidemiology George Rutherford adds, now is the time to be cautious.
That you have some chance, it's not zero, of becoming infected even after you've been vaccinated. If you're infected, you're also infectious, and you can spread the virus. And what we don't want to have happen is to have a big rebound now, especially with these variants.
Since our last conversation in June, Rutgers lost a relative to COVID complications, and he doesn't want to lose anyone else.
And that's why I think we have to be cautious about spring break and summer travel. I'm not trying to be a downer, but I am trying to say be realistic. Nothing just happens like that.
And Liz, the CDC also says you don't need to quarantine or get tested if you've been exposed to somebody with COVID, as long as you are fully vaccinated. And to be fully vaccinated, that means 2 weeks after your second dose. Liz?
I know a lot of grandparents are anxious to see those grandbabies. That's good news for them. All right, Maria, thank you.